just heard Q136?
E789-04 West 1 to 1, medium clear, Point of Rocks, 822 south.
Yeah, I just heard. I know X136 passed already. He already passed Ashland already. An hour ago.
E789-04 West 1 to 1, medium clear, Point of Rocks, 822 south.
Well, who's calling?
E789-04 over. Hey guys, it's coming in for you. It's 72 is when it's off lead. You should be getting signal location up here in a minute. Over. Very good, sir. Thank you. We never got anything, guys. But keep going. Never got anything on the camera shot, over. We had an update on our PTC, so it shows the update on the PTC. Never got one. 789-04 over. Yeah, 199 nifties. That's what we have now. For you. It's 72 is when it's off lead. You should be getting signal location up here in a minute. Over. Very good, sir. Thank you. And we never got anything, guys, so keep it going. Never got anything on the camera shot, over. We had an update on our PTC, so it shows the update on the PTC at least. Oh, never got one. Yeah, 199 nifties. Is that what you have now, over? Is that correct, over? That's correct. Well, that's just weird. I never pushed any buttons. Roger. Alright, well, keep it going, guys. Y'all have a good rest of the run. Get coming and say. Easy, done. Yeah, I see one from 225 to 199. Is that correct, over? That's correct. Well, that's just weird. I never pushed any buttons. Roger. Alright, well, keep it going, guys. Y'all have a good rest of the run. Get coming and safe. Easy, done. Good night.
From 225 to $1.99. Dang. Okay. Okay, now it makes sense. Okay, I was like, huh? I get confused. Now I make sense. Okay, never mind then. Never mind. I gotta do is when he passed, I'm gonna go to my right, check those signals facing going eastbound. Nothing going on lane, but I don't know. I can't see the signal going east for the Met. Because it's red, we're here for the old man, because E789 is going 1 to 1. Okay, so I did hear Q135 this time. Alright, see you guys in the next one.